Good morning, children. Now, in the last class, we learned about the sun. Today, we will learn about the planets. Our solar system has got 8 planets. Initially, there were 9 planets, but today there are only 8 as Pluto, which is said to be a dwarf planet, has been out of the family. Now, what does the word planet mean? The word planet has its origin in a Greek word which means wanderer. Wanderer meaning something which does not have a fixed position, which goes on and on. You can say somewhat like a gypsy, which never stays at a fixed place but keeps on moving from one place to the other. आज हम लोग प्लैनेट्स या ग्रह के बारे में पढ़ाई करेंगे. पिछली बार हमने सूरज के बारे में सब कुछ जाना. अब प्लैनेट एक ग्रीक शब्द से आया है, ग्रह. इस प्लैनेट का मतलब ग्रीक में होता है वॉन्डरर. वॉन्डरर मतलब कि वो जो अपने एक जगह पर स्थिर नहीं रहता, लेकिन वो घूमता रहता है. और ये प्लैनेट्स दे रिवॉल्व राउंड द सन इन देयर ऑर्बिट. नाउ वी हैव 8 planets: Mercury, closest to the sun; Venus, then Earth, our home or the blue planet; Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto now is no longer a planet. It is known as an outer planet. Now, these planets are also divided into 2 groups. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, which are very close to the sun, and so they are known as the inner planets. Is that clear? Now, the first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, they are close to the sun, so they are known as the inner planets, and they are mostly made up of rocks. Then the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So you see there are 8 planets divided into 2 groups. 4 are known as inner planets and 4 are known as outer planets. The first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, which are close to the sun, are the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which are away from the sun, are known as outer planets. अब ये प्लैनेट्स 8 हैं, तो ये 2 ग्रुप में है. एक इनर प्लैनेट है जो सूरज के पास है और एक आउटर प्लैनेट है जो सूरज से दूर है. मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स इनर प्लैनेट्स कहलाते हैं और जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपट्यून आउटर प्लैनेट्स कहलाते हैं. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट all these planets, they move round their fixed path. This is the fixed path or the orbit. They all move on this fixed path, and none of these planets have any light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. This is the sun. All these planets, they reflect the light of the sun. You see here, these are planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets, and they do not have any light of their own, but they reflect the light of the sun. And so these planets, now another thing is that all these planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are all named after the Greek gods. Roman gods. They are all named after the Roman gods and goddesses. रोम कंट्री का नाम सुना है ना? ये जितने भी प्लैनेट्स हैं ये सब रोमन गॉड्स और गॉडेसेस के नाम से हैं. जैसे वीनस इज अ स्टार ऑफ ब्यूटी. वीनस ब्यूटी. So one example I have given you, and the rest we will do later on in the next class, or I will give it to you in the worksheets, which you will then remember and learn. So these are the planets, and all these planets, they revolve around the sun, which makes them, they move around their fixed path. ये जितने भी planets हैं ये अपने ही रास्ते में घूमते हैं. They do not deviate from their path. Is that clear? and these planets can be seen in the night sometimes, and each planet has a different time for rotation and revolution. And every planet on this earth, in the solar system rather, every planet in the solar system is different. Now first of all, we will learn about Earth. Earth is our planet. Earth is third from the sun, and it is the fifth largest planet. The Earth is the planet which has life on Earth because it has also got the right temperature and atmosphere, and it is also known as the blue planet. What is the Earth known as? It is also known as the blue planet.